very smart technology that are on another level. Osmo. This modern world is increasingly high in robotics, which makes people worry. Are machines completely going to replace people in the future? The specialists at Skyline Robotics created the invention you see on the screen, and they have a different opinion. They believe machines will only replace people in hazardous occupations, and that's why they designed Osmo. According to the creators, the glass surface of an average skyscraper is about 28,000 square meters. Cleaning such an area using traditional methods takes about 2.5 months. Meanwhile, by using Osmo, 2 operators can do the same job in about a week. It is important to note that the operators control the robot from a safe place. The benefits of this window cleaner include the ability to recognize convex objects. Osmo is aware that the window in front of it is open and adjusts its route to avoid damaging it. Computer vision and sensors also help to recognize people looking out of the window in order to not hurt them accidentally. Smart Drive. Smart Drive existing electric wheelchairs are quite comfortable and able to carry a user off-road or up the stairs. However, such wheelchairs have a major disadvantage. They are too bulky. The new Smart Drive ensures using all advantages of the electric drive at the same time without making the design heavier. The new device is an electric drive that connects to a standard wheelchair. The Smart Drive will help push the stroller if necessary. For example, when climbing uphill. The weight of the device is about 13 pounds. The electric drive is equipped with Bluetooth, and the power of a 250-watt brushless DC motor is provided by a lithium-ion battery of 36 volts and a capacity of 3.4 amps, which is enough for traveling up to 12 miles. Lexus Digital Mirror. This technology is already used by Lexus and some of their cars and is likely to be present in all future cars of the company. Basically, the side mirrors have been replaced with cameras, and special screens in the car show the image recorded. The design is compact, reduces wind noise, and increases the visibility of the driver. The screens are located almost in front of the driver's eyes, reducing the load and eliminating the need to turn your head unnecessarily. Finally, the cameras provide improved visibility compared to conventional mirrors, guaranteeing high image quality in all weather conditions and adapting during turning and reversing to virtually eliminate blind spots. Human Hoist. Human Hoist is an adjustable chair designed for those working in difficult conditions. The ergonomic mobile solution is used in the repair of freight transport in particular. Human Hoist is designed in collaboration with Mask, a heavy truck manufacturer. This system supports the body of the worker in any position from sitting to horizontal position. The chair is designed with regard to the main points of supports necessary for reliable fixation of the body and includes an adjustable headrest. The chair adjustment is done by means of servo drivers with electric motors operated by a joystick. Also, it has got a complete fixation of the chassis with the wheels locked up from both sides. An adjustable seat is equipped with magnetic holders for tools and devices, while each adjustable point can be fixed in increments of 10 degrees. Miming. With Miming smart insoles, say no more about freezing feet issues. Miming looks like ordinary insoles. At the same time, inside they are supplemented with heating elements, a Bluetooth module, and a battery. The principle of work is very simple. Simply place them into the shoes and install the optimal level of heating in the application on your smartphone. Now you are ready to go out. The device can heat up to 50 degrees Celsius. It is equipped with an intelligent mode that adjusts the temperature to external conditions. A built-in battery at an average temperature is enough for 6 hours at the maximum temperature. The gadget works for 3.5 hours. The insoles are charged on a special wireless platform, which can be installed at the entrance to the apartment. You can adjust the size of the insole to the desired size. It is enough to cut off its surplus as required. Atone Model Y. Today, a great number of jobs still require using physical labor on a consistent basis. However, inventions capable of significantly reducing their complexity already exist today. The Japanese company Atone Inc., a subsidiary of Panasonic, has developed an exoskeleton specifically for heavy lifting while wearing the Model Y. Any load in your hands feels 40% lighter. The exoskeleton itself weighs about 10 pounds. Introducing this kind of equipment into warehouses will increase worker productivity and also reduce the number of injuries. North Focals. The North startup presented Focals smart glasses, which look like ordinary classic glasses, but at the same time projected image to the user as well as are controlled by a joystick ring. The main prominent difference between Focals and ordinary glasses is wide earpieces, one of which has a built-in mini projector. Otherwise, they look quite normal and will be available with a rectangular and round frame. The mini projector projects an image that is reflected from the glass into the iris of the eye, thus creating a hologram effect in Focals. You can receive notifications from various applications, weather forecasts, or navigation tips, and you can use them to ask Alexa a question or order an Uber. In the future, more services are due to come up. Promobot Robot C. This is a new invention that was developed in Russia this year. It is a robot with human appearance, emotions, and facial expressions. It was designed specifically for working with people in museums, banks, exhibition centers, shopping malls, educational institutions, and business centers. That's why it offers a wide range of opportunities. Robot C can meet people, remember them, and recognize them when they meet them again. It also has the ability to communicate on random or pre-programmed topics, talk about the company, service, or products offered. In short, it spares staff from doing routine, boring jobs. The developers believe that using RoboC will attract attention to the business, increasing both the flow of customers and sales. The robot's appearance can be changed to suit individual requirements. Blue. The next invention that we will show you in this video today was developed by a team of researchers at the University of California, Berkeley. The Blue robot embodies the latest advances in artificial intelligence, in addition, thanks to deep reinforcement learning. The robot can solve complex problems that, for a long time, could only be solved by humans. The problem with modern robots is that they are expensive and designed around the principle of very high precision and repeated motions. Blue doesn't have these problems. The total cost of the parts is about $3,000, and when assembled, the price increases to $5,000 at the same time. Blue is a step forward in the creation of dynamic and responsive robots. Like people, they will use their eyesight and their tactile skills to make decisions. Blue is sensitive to external factors and calculates its own strength every second. The size of the mechanized arms is comparable to the size of a bodybuilder's arms, and just like a person, the robot can tense its arms or relax them. Pay attention to the joints that move in the same way as the shoulders, elbows, and wrists of a human. Thus, Blue copies a person's movements with high precision. Its dexterity is enough to prepare a coffee. Although this task is still very difficult for the robot at the moment, Blue lacks some precision and strength. However, artificial intelligence can compensate for this deficiency. You can tell that laying construction blocks is a tough and exhausting job. But there is good news, which is probably the last invention I'm going to talk about in this video. But before we move on, why don't you like this video and subscribe to the Tech Craze for more amazing videos like this? Thanks for doing that. Hadrian X. Hadrian X is from the Australian company Fastbrick Robotics. This invention is still under development. However, over the past few years, the inventors have been able to increase its output from 85 blocks to 200 blocks per hour. A new version that could lay more than 1,000 blocks per hour is already in development. The robot is mounted on a truck and uses a telescopic boom to operate. No human involvement is needed. Hadrian X lays the building material with mortar or adhesive autonomously, following a 3D model of the future building. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.